Welcome back. This is my third post today. On this post, I'll be talking to you about Yearn Finance, YFIUSD, see what has changed since my yesterday's post. I'll be sharing with you my bullish and bearish case scenario for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Please excuse any chickens that's right outside right now, but if you guys hear anything, that's because there's chickens outside. Now, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. There's giving away 4 free stocks now instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence for trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below. I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, let's see what exactly has gone on in Yearn Finance since my yesterday's post. I think we should revisit the 12-hour time frame first, because it does look like there's quite a bit of bullish sentiment in the market today. And since the breakout of this falling wedge pattern I've been talking about. Now, the falling wedge pattern here, the measured target is about 34K. We're currently about 31.5K right now. And looking at the 12-hour time frame, this is one of the signs that I said to keep paying attention to, because there was possible bearish divergence here, and there still is bearish divergence. But however, if you actually look at this candle comparing with the last 12-hour candle, there was already bearish divergence, but the price action and the bulls continue pushing up. That is a very bullish sentiment, in my opinion, when there is bearish divergence and the bulls continue to push the price up. Okay, now the next thing I will be looking for is the same thing I've been talking about for quite some time as well, which will be bearish divergence on the daily time frame. Okay, we still do have it. The last high made on the RSI is about 76. We're currently at about 72. Okay, something I'm still paying attention to, and the daily candle closes in about 2 hours. Now, let's take a look into the higher time frames and see if we have any issues here. So on the 3-day chart, it does not close for another 2 days, so I wouldn't be too worried about that chart right there. Something I would be a little concerned though would be on the Bitcoin dominance chart and the Bitcoin price action chart. If you guys do actually want to take a look and see what I have actually said in details on those charts, you guys can take a look at my Bitcoin price action post today. But it does possibly look like Bitcoin could pull back, and Bitcoin dominance could actually rebound at this time and go up, which may mean I would be very cautious with altcoins. Okay, now that is the evaluation of the current situation right now. Let's take a look at what I think would be the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Now, I did mention that we still do have bearish divergence on the 12-hour time frame, even though the bulls continue to push this price action up. Bullish case scenario would be for the bulls to stay in here and continue pushing the price action upwards until the measured target or even more. Now, the measured target may or may not be reached. Let's see if there are enough buyers in the market to continue pushing this price up and allow this bullish case scenario to play out. Bearish case scenario, actually, let me also elaborate one more thing on the bullish case scenario. It is also possible that we get a pullback, a small pullback, due to the bearish case, the bearish divergence on the 12-hour and daily time frame, but not significant enough. And then the next candle would be a rebound candle and continue upwards. Okay, that is also possible, and not too bearish. And we actually just get a small pullback, that is still possible. Okay, now bearish case scenario would obviously for the bearish divergence to play out. Okay, so I'll be paying attention to the daily candle close here and how the next daily candle will act. Okay, because unless we close significantly higher and create a higher high here on the RSI, I don't think the bearish divergence is going to be negated on the daily time frame. Okay, it is possible that even if the bearish divergence plays out with a very small pullback, that would continue higher. But I don't think that is out of the question yet that we get bearish divergence on the daily time frame. And if after we actually meet the measured targets, the next major resistance I see is about 36K, okay, which is also the last fib level that we would need to surpass to actually retrace to this high right here that we had that I had drawn a Fibonacci retracement with. Okay, so if the price action does break down, the levels of support would be the past resistance, which would be 30K again, and then 25K. Okay, so these are my signals for today, and as well as my bullish and bearish case scenarios. Please let me know if you found it helpful. Let me know your feedback, agreements, disagreements. I would love to hear them. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully. And if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.